Hello students, a very warm welcome to you. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 15, perimeter and area. In this chapter, our topic is perimeter. Let's start with perimeter. The word perimeter comes from two Greek words, peri and metron. Peri means around and metron means measure. Thus, perimeter means the distance or length around the closed figure. So perimeter is the total distance of all sides of a closed figure or the outline of the closed figure. That means the length of the boundary of a closed figure is called the perimeter. So we can say that perimeter is a one-dimension quantity that we can measure with units of length. And the units used to measure perimeter are millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. Today we will learn how to find the perimeter of triangle, rectangle and a square using formulas. Let's start with the triangle. A triangle has three sides, side AB, side BC and side CA. To find the perimeter of a triangle, we add the length of its sides. So perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of length of all sides. Thus, perimeter of triangle is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. In triangle ABC, let's suppose if AB is equal to 3 cm, BC is equal to 4 cm and CA is equal to 5 cm. So the perimeter of triangle is equal to 3 cm plus 4 cm plus 5 cm. Now do the addition. We get 12 cm. Thus, perimeter of triangle is equal to 12 cm. Now let us look at the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. We have already learned that a rectangle has four sides where its opposite sides are equal in length. Thus, perimeter of rectangle is equal to sum of length of all four sides. So, perimeter of rectangle is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. In rectangle ABCD, let's suppose AB is equal to L. And we know that in rectangle opposite sides are equal, so DC is also equal to L. And if BC is equal to B, so AD is also equal to B. Thus, the perimeter of rectangle is equal to L plus B plus L plus B. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus 2 into B, which is equal to 2 times in bracket L plus B, where L is equal to length and B is equal to breadth. So we get a formula, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiply in bracket L plus B. Let's suppose the length of rectangle is 5 cm and breadth is 4 cm. So the perimeter of rectangle is equal to, put the value, 2 multiply in bracket 5 cm plus 4 cm. We know that by both mass, first we do the addition. So 5 cm plus 4 cm, we get 9 cm. So write down 2 multiplied by 9 cm. Now do the multiplication. We get 18 cm. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 18 cm. Finally, let us look at the perimeter of the square. And perimeter of square is equal to sum of length of all four sides. So in square ABCD, perimeter of square is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. And we know that in a square all the sides are equal in length. That means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Thus, the perimeter of a square can be calculated by adding all four sides of a square. Therefore, perimeter of a square is equal to side plus side plus side plus side, which is equal to 4 times the length of a side. So we get a formula, perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. Let's suppose in a square ABCD, the length of one side is 5 cm. Find the perimeter of a square. We know that perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. And side is equal to 5 cm. Now put the value in formula. 4 multiplied by 5 cm. Now do the multiplication. 5 4s are 20. So we get 20 cm. So perimeter of a square is equal to 20 cm. In perimeter, you have to remember the length of the boundary of a closed figure is called the perimeter. The units of perimeter is millimeter or meter or centimeter or kilometer. and some formulas that we can use to find the perimeter of different shapes. Perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of length of all three sides. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiply in bracket L plus B, where L is equal to length and B is equal to breadth. And perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiply by side. Let's try using these formulas with a few examples so to see how it works. Question number 1. A field is in the shape of a rectangle whose length is 130 meter and breadth is 95 meter respectively. Find the cost of fencing the field at rupees 20 per meter. See, in this question we have to find out the cost of fencing, and fencing means length of the boundary, that means perimeter. So first we find the perimeter and then we will find out the cost of fencing. So write down length of field is equal to 130 meter, breadth of field is equal to 95 meter, and the cost of fencing the field we have to find out. We know that perimeter of rectangle field is equal to 2 multiply in bracket L plus B. Now put the value 2 multiply in bracket 130 meter plus 95 meter. By board mass, first we solve the bracket. So do the addition. 130 meter plus 95 meter, we get 225 meter. So write down 2 multiply 225 meter. Now do the multiplication. We get 450 meter. So perimeter of rectangle field is equal to 450 meter. Again, perimeter means length of the boundary and length of the boundary means fencing. So length of fencing is equal to 450 meter. And the cost of fencing is rupees 20 per meter. That means cost of 1 meter fencing is rupees 20. Therefore, cost of 450 meter fencing is equal to, see, 1 meter is given and find out more. What we have to do? Yes, multiplication. So write down rupees 20 multiplied by 450. Now do the multiplication. We get rupees 9,000. So the cost of fencing the field is rupees 9,000. Let us solve one more question. Question number 2. Akshay goes 3 times around a rectangular field whose length and breadth are 25 meter and 19 meter respectively. How much distance does he cover? Now tell me what we have to find in this question. Area or perimeter? Read the question carefully. Around a field means length of the boundary. That means perimeter. So first we find the perimeter. And then we have to find the distance covered by Akshay. How? Let's see. So write down length of rectangular field is equal to 25 meter. Breadth of rectangular field is equal to 19 meter. And distance covered by Akshay we have to find out. We know that perimeter of rectangular field is equal to 2 multiply in bracket L plus B. Now put the value. 2 multiply in bracket 25 meter plus 19 meter. By board mass, first we solve the bracket. So do the addition. 25 meter plus 19 meter, we get 44 meter. So write down 2 multiply by 44 meter. Now do the multiplication. We get 88 meter. So distance covered in first time is equal to 88 meter. But Akshay goes 3 times around the rectangular field. Therefore, distance covered by Akshay in 3 round is equal to 3 multiply by 88 meter. Now do the multiplication. We get 264 meter. So the distance covered by Akshay in 3 round is 264 meter. The next is question number 3. The length of one side of a square field is 25 meter. Find the cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 18 per meter. Again, find the cost of fencing, and fencing means length of the boundary. That means perimeter. So first we find the perimeter. And then we will find the cost of fencing. How? Let's see. So write down side of a square field is equal to 25 meter and cost of fencing we have to find out. Now tell me which formula we have to use. Yes, perimeter of a square field is equal to 4 multiplied by side. And side is equal to 25 meter. So write down 4 multiplied by 25 meter. Now do the multiplication. 25 fours are 100. So we get 100 meter. So perimeter of a square field is equal to 100 meter. That means length of fencing is equal to 100 meter. If the cost of 1 meter fencing is rupees 18, therefore the cost of 100 meter fencing is equal to, Again, 1 meter is given and find out 100. What we have to do? Yes, we have to do multiplication. So write down rupees 18 multiplied by 100. Now do the multiplication. We get rupees 1800. So the cost of fencing the field is rupees 1800. The next is question number 4. Raju ran around a rectangular garden of length 30 meter and breadth 15 meter. Manu ran around a square field of side 35 meter. Who covered more distance and by how much? Now tell me what we have to find, area or perimeter? Yes, perimeter, because Raju and Manu both were running around a garden and a field, covering only their length, not area. So first we find the distance covered by Raju, and then we will find the distance covered by Manu. And then we compare who covered more distance. How? Let's see. Let's begin with Raju. Length of rectangular garden is equal to 30 meter. Breadth of rectangular garden is equal to 15 meter. And distance covered by Raju we have to find out. We know that perimeter of rectangular garden is equal to 2 multiply in bracket L plus B. Now put the value. 2 multiply in bracket 30 meter plus 15 meter. By board mass, first we solve the bracket. So do the addition. 30 meter plus 15 meter. We get 45 meter. So write down 2 multiplied by 45 meter. Now do the multiplication. We get 90 meter. Distance covered by Raju is equal to 90 meter. So Raju covered 90 meter distance. Now we will find out the distance covered by Manu. So write down side of square field is equal to 35 meter and distance covered by Manu we have to find out. We know that perimeter of square field is equal to 4 multiplied by side. Now put the value. And side is equal to 35 meter. So write down 4 multiplied by 35 meter. Now do the multiplication. We get 140 meter. So distance covered by Manu is 140 meter. And distance covered by Raju is 90 meter. Now tell me who covered more distance? Yes, Manu. So write down Manu covered more distance by 140 meter minus 90 meter. We get 50 meter. So Manu covered more distance by 50 meter. I hope you all understand perimeter. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.